Okay, so we started off, we grounded up our meat, and we did it coarse first, ran it through again, got it fine, and then we went ahead and we added our seasoning. This is a seasoning packet that I bought, so it's got a mixture of different varieties in here. There's a jalapeno blend, Hunter's blend, we did that the first time around. Original blend, spicy lime blend. The one we're doing today is bourbon barbecue blend. And you're going to be adding, we had 3 pounds of meat right here, so we added 2 tablespoons of the seasoning and 1.5 seasoning of the cure. And then we added a little bit, about a 1/4 cup of ice cold water. And then we have this attachment that we have on our KitchenAid. You just put this tube on there, you slide that onto the horn, and as the meat is fed through here, it comes out. You just kind of guide it, let it fill this up, and then we're going to take all those and refrigerate them. These are what we've got done so far. We'll refrigerate those for a little bit, and then we'll take them out to the smoker. We'll smoke them 200 degrees for a couple hours. I've got apple wood chips out there, so they should go really good, and we'll have these smoked up in no time. What we do, I'm going to get the tip of that meat off so it's easier to slide the casing on the horn. So just put that on there, slide it up, and then just keep feeding it. Scrunch it up as much as possible so that as you feed the meat in, it comes off. And you want to make sure your links are decent length, so as much as you can get on there, we'll put on. We'll feed off a little bit now, cut it, and we're going to twist this in together. Twist it nice and good and tight. And I sometimes will hold that until we get the meat going in here. Turn the blender on. Let it start filling up with meat. Kind of push the meat through. Alright, we got them all in the smoker now. See, the smoke's coming up. So we're going to go ahead and close this off for about 2 hours. We'll check it. We want 165 degrees inside temperature of the meat. And then we'll be ready. And here's our final beef sticks.
Hi, my name is Bobby. Thanks for watching our video. And if you could, as always, right up here, hit that subscribe and like button and notification and catch all our videos. We'll see ya. Bye.